Hello friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark scores of the POCO X2 versus the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. The POCO X2 has the Snapdragon 730G processor, whereas the Samsung Galaxy M31 has the Exynos 9611 processor. So which is the same processor found in the Samsung Galaxy M30s as well. So right now I have taken the screenshots in both the phones of the antutu benchmark. So which is of same version, as you can see friends, 8.2.4, and you can compare the scores side by side in terms of the antutu benchmark scores. So you can clearly see there is a huge difference in terms of the antutu benchmark scores between the POCO X2 versus the Samsung Galaxy M31. So as you can see friends, Redmi K30, but Redmi K30 is also known as a POCO X2 in India. So overall the antutu benchmark score gonna be pretty much similar to this score here. So as you can see friends, there is a huge difference in terms of the antutu benchmark scores. So definitely friends, the performance will be better in the POCO X2 device, and if you are looking to buy the phone in terms of the gaming, then the POCO X2 is a better option friends for you. And let me show you the geek benchmark as well. So as you can see friends, even in the geek benchmark, the POCO X2 has clearly dominated the Samsung Galaxy M31. So you can compare the single core and multi-core side by side. So overall, this is a quick antutu benchmark comparison between both the phones friends, and do check the links in description also for the playlist of both the smartphones. You can find plenty of useful videos which I did on both the phones. So that's it for this video friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.